Hey, so the other day I was able to visit this lovely community in the northwest part of Summerlin, and it's a brand new build, and they are adorable. Through 3 stories, detached homes. They have various price ranges to fit your budget, so no worries there. They run from $490 all the way up to $580. So you've got 4 different floor plans to choose from. I want you to stay to the end because they're adorable. All right, talk to you later if you'd like to see these floor plans, and I will meet you at the sales office. See you later, and I hope to hear from you soon. And I know I will. Bye.